Question 1. Most of the Hindu colonies in Southeast Asia had been found during the reign of The. A. Mauryas. B. Rajputas. C. Guptas. D. Cholas. Answer. D. Cholas. Question 2. Which of the following rulers did not enter the Buddhist code? A. Harsha. B. Samudragupta. C. Kanishka. D. Ashoka. Answer. B. Samudragupta. Question 3. In Sanskrit plays written during the Gupta period, women and Sudras speak. A. Sanskrit. B. Pali. C. Prakrit. D. Sauraseni. Answer. C. Prakrit. Question 4. Who had established the 4 mathas or monastic seats in the 4 corners of India? A. Madhavacharya. B. Shankaracharya. C. Bhaskaracharya. D. Ramanujacharya. Answer. B. Shankaracharya. Question 5. The term used to denote a group of families in the Vedic society was A. Vish. B. Jana. C. Grama. D. Gotra. Answer. B. Jana. Question 6. The Swetambaras and Digambaras refer to 2 sects of A. Saivism. B. Buddhism. C. Vaishnavism. D. Jainism. Answer. D. Jainism. Question 7. According to the Mimamsa school of philosophy, liberation is possible through A. Yoga. B. Bhakti. C. Karma. D. Jnana. Answer. C. Karma. Question 8. Which Gupta ruler had led a campaign to the south, besides being an accomplished veena player? A. Skandagupta. B. Samudragupta. C. Chandragupta I. D. Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Answer. B. Samudragupta. Question 9. Who among the following has been called the Napoleon of India? A. Samudragupta. B. Harshavardhana. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Ashoka. Answer. A. Samudragupta. Question 10. Ashoka's prime claim to greatness lay in A. His extensive conquests. B. The promotion of people's welfare by him. C. His marathon army. D. His exclusive patronage of Buddhism. Answer. B. The promotion of people's welfare by him. Question 11. The achievements of Samudragupta have been chronicled in The. A. Hattigampa inscription. B. Sarnath inscription. C. Girnar inscription. D. Allahabad pillar inscription. Answer. D. Allahabad pillar inscription. Question 12. The sage who is considered to have Aryanized southern India was A. Vashishta. B. Vishwamitra. C. Agastya. D. Yagnavalkya. Answer. C. Agastya. Question 13. The dynasty that excelled itself as a naval power was that of The. A. Hoysalas. B. Chairas. C. Cholas. D. Pallavas. Answer. C. Cholas. Question 14. Which Chola ruler had conquered the northern part of Sri Lanka and made it a province of his empire? A. Rajendra Chola I. B. Adhirajendra Chola. C. Parantaka Chola I. D. Rajaraja Chola I. Answer. D. Rajaraja Chola I. Question 15. The ancient medical treatise Charaka Sanhita is attributed to Charaka, who was a contemporary of A. Kanishka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Ashoka. D. Samudragupta. Answer. A. Kanishka. Question 16. Who among the following are credited with having built the famous Ellora caves? A. The Cholas. B. The Satavahanas. C. The Rashtrakutas. D. The Chairas. Answer. C. The Rashtrakutas. Question 17. The caves and rock-cut temples at Ellora pertain to A. Hinduism. B. Buddhism. C. Jainism. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Question 18. The cult of Krishna is primarily exhibited through The. A. Ancient art. B. Rajasthani school of art. C. Mughal School of Art. D. Bengal School of Art. Answer B. Rajasthani School of Art. Question 19. In which of the following caves have 28 new caves been further discovered? A. Ajanta Caves. B. Ellora Caves. C. Elephanta Caves. D. None of the above. Answer C. Elephanta Caves. Question 20. The Pallava kings were the makers of the rock-cut temples at A. Thanjavur. B. Mahabalipuram. C. Khajuraho. D. Rameshwaram. Answer B. Mahabalipuram.